Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones Beoplay E8 Sport. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold in empty space, then click Edit or plus at the left top, then Add Widget, scroll down and click on Batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say I prefer this one. Click Add Widget. And right here we can check battery level. And the second one option is to use an application. So just open it. And right here we can check the left one and right one earbuds, but not the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.